In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an American Airlines gift card. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser or the American Airlines app. Once you have that open, navigate to aa.com. This is the official website for American Airlines where you can manage your bookings and payments. Now you'll want to search for your flight. Enter your departure and arrival destinations along with your intended travel dates. Make sure to double-check these details to avoid any booking issues later. Choose the flight that best suits your schedule and budget. This is important because selecting the right flight ensures a smooth travel experience. Now, with your flight selected, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click on the button labeled Continue or Review and Pay. This step brings you to the payment page. Here you'll see various options for completing your purchase. Once you are on the payment page, you will have the opportunity to enter your gift card details. Look for the section where you can type in your card number and PIN. Carefully type your card number into the designated field. It's crucial to enter this accurately to ensure the system recognizes your gift card. After entering the card number, type in the PIN associated with your gift card. This PIN is usually found on the back of the card and is necessary for the transaction. Next, click Apply to use your gift card as a payment method. You should see a confirmation indicating that your gift card has been applied. This step is essential because it ensures your gift card balance is successfully used towards your booking. If your gift card doesn't cover the full cost of the flight, you may need to combine it with another payment method. You can select an additional payment option, such as a credit card, to cover any remaining balance. This flexibility allows you to make the most of your gift card while still completing your booking. Now it's time to confirm your booking. Review all the details once more, including the flight information and payment summary. This final check is important to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, confirm your booking to finalize the transaction. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, confirming your successful booking. And there you have it. You've successfully paid for your American Airlines flight using a gift card. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making your travel experience smoother.